Galaxy AirBuds Plus. Shit! Literally, the guy just delivered it right now. It's there. Oh my god. Oh, I just fell down the stairs. But yeah, I got it here. Wow. Gonna be doing a video on it right now. Whoa. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. What's going on, tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So as you saw in the video before you started to watch this video, we took delivery of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So excited for this particular product because yeah, it's a revolution from the first generation. Now we have the second generation. So yeah, I wonder if it's going to be better than the first generation. I don't know. We're going to have to put it to the test and see how it goes. But yeah, without further ado, cue the B-roll. So, right, we have the box here. This is the box that we got delivered today. I kind of opened it a little bit to have a little sneak peek just to make sure that it's the actual thing that, you know, I was expecting. But yeah, and it is what I'm expecting. And there you go. We have the Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus here. Look at that. Exactly the same box like normal, well, like the old one, that like the first generation, that one that we got, which is right there. You can see we got some nice information back here to tell us what's going on and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to read some information for you guys. And it's 11-hour playtime, so you can, yeah, it's 11-hour playtime. You can have it in your ears constantly all day for 11 hours. But during my test with the first one, which is right here, the first generation, which is right here, I was only getting about I think maybe about six hours in there on this one. Not too sure. It was, I believe it lasted me from 10 till 6, and that's only having one in and then having the second one in. So I put one in first, and then last me half of the day. Put the other one in, and then last me till the end of the day. Which I mean is pretty cool. But if you have both in, then the time is not going to be that great. So hopefully this one actually lasts us for 11 hours like they do say. Two-way speaker for rich sound. So two-way speakers, I think maybe that's trying to tell us it's got two speakers built in the actual buds each. I'm not too sure. Or they're saying two-way speakers for rich sound, meaning one bud, second bud, two. So I don't know. But yeah, now it says triple mic for clear voice calls. So it's got 3 mics built in for obviously when you take your calls and if people ring you and you ring them back or whatever, so they can, because the earpiece is not right at your mouth, so I think they put all that speaker there so it kind of picks up your voice more better. So when you're speaking to someone on the other end of the phone, they can hear what you're saying, if that makes sense. And yeah, it's also wireless charging compatible. So just like the old one, you just place it behind on the back of your phone and it will charge it, or any wireless device, pad or whatever, and it will charge it. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's crack it open. Let's open it back. Let's open her up. Let's open her up. I broke the seal already with a big knife. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's cool. It looks exactly the same like the old one. Like exactly the same thing that you'd find in the old box. It's exactly what you'd find in the new box. Well, I have actually noticed one thing looking at both of them right now, which I will point out in a minute. But inside this envelope kind of box thing here, yeah, we have the warranty card, and the quick start guide, which is right there. So if you don't know how to use technology, you got that over there to help you work your way through. But yeah, that's that. And then this big box over here, I believe this should be the charging cable. Yes, it is the charging cable. Yes, it is. It's the USB-C, as you can see up there. The USB is USB-C to the normal USB, I believe. Yes, there we go. So USB-C. So USB-C to the normal USB, which is right there. So yeah, this is good for charging the phone. I mean, charging the earbuds if you don't want to wirelessly charge them. And then in here we have, oh wow, cool. We have they put extra buds to fit your ears. That's pretty damn cool. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Where they put extra buds so you can be comfy. We have this little ring thing which tells you which one is left or right, just in case you want to swap it out. Maybe you want it's dirty or anything like that, you can easily just swap it out, which is pretty damn cool. Let's put that aside. And then we have the main show. Let's just take this off. Boom. Right, the thing that I did say to you guys that I did notice when I literally opened the box is the color. Look at this. So there you have the earbuds. You have the new one over there. So you got the new one at the top, and then you got the old one at the bottom there. The thing that I've noticed is the new one is slightly, no, not slightly, the new one is gloss white, and the old one it's got that matte white finish to it, which, yeah. So if you have this out and about, people would be able to know which one is which. So the old one has the matte finish to it, and the new one has the gloss finish to it, which is pretty damn cool. It's so white. Can't even pick it up that well. But yeah, that's it there. Completely different colors. But now we're gonna open it and see. Well, looks really cool. It looks really, really nice. Oh wow, there's a big difference here. Massive difference. Look at that. There's also color change inside the actual bud as well. As you can see, the new one's at the bottom and the old one's at the top. You've got that kind of bluish color inside, and then the new one is just pure white, which I think that is pretty damn cool. Don't know about you, but it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's exactly the same setup with the old one, but yeah, this one's just got that all white, you know, feel to it. And yeah, I mean, feeling it, it feels very, very nice. I'd say it feels better than the old one because of that gloss finish. It makes it feel, you know, feel very premium, and yeah, it's like, yeah, it's really, really nice and cool. But all the different thing as well that I've noticed is it's got this indicator at the bottom here to tell you which is left and right. It's got this little indicator here to tell you which is left and right, which I think is pretty cool. Let's test them out. Let's put them in the ear, let's play some music. Well yeah, first impressions. And also the buds are shiny as well, gloss black. These ones are not gloss. Yeah, these ones are matte. The color is matte. So let me just show you guys the difference between them both. So that's the new one and that's the old one there. Look. I don't know if you guys can see that properly, but there's a difference, big difference. Look at that. So one of them is gloss, you can see it's gloss, and you can see one as well is matte. Anyway, let's try these bad boys on. Left one. Ooh. It makes like this ringing noise when you put them in, so you know that it's in. First impressions of it being in my ear, it feels nice. It feels nice. It almost sounds like my voice is crisp. Having them in, and I'm talking now, it sounds like it's crisp. My whole voice just sounds so crisp right now. When I take it out, it still sounds crisp, but when it's in, there's definitely a difference when it's in and you're talking. It sounds like your voice is a lot more crisp. Very, very crisp. Anyway guys, from me, the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.